Let's start by introducing a vertex. A vertex is the point of intersection of two or more line segments, rays, or lines. For this video, we'll be using rays, but keep in mind that the concept applies to lines and line segments as well. An angle is formed by two rays that share the same endpoint, which we call the vertex. The measure of an angle is determined by how much you need to rotate one of the rays to meet the other. Now, notice what happens as we adjust the position of one ray. As we move one ray closer to the other, notice that the angle gets smaller. Conversely, as we move it further away, the angle increases. Okay, now that you know about angles, here's something for you to try. Which of these has the largest angle? The correct answer to this question is option D. As you can see, option D has the largest or the biggest angle compared to the others. Now let's bring back our intersecting rays. The size of an angle is measured in degrees. Take for example, the angle formed by these two rays is 45 degrees. Notice that when we move one ray further away from the other, the angle increases. Now we have a 90-degree angle. If we move over further, we get an angle of 180 degrees. This brings us to the question I asked at the ending of the previous video. When two rays with the same endpoint extend infinitely in opposite directions, they form what we already know as a line. Therefore, we have that the angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. In the next video, we'll talk about what we call right, acute, and obtuse angles. So stay tuned.